All right, Mike, now to a new test scam targeting hundreds of medical patients. The scammers are using the federal government shutdown to strike fear into people who depend on Medicaid and Medicare. 7 News Detroit reporter Darren Cunningham in Detroit listening to a patient who actually got one of those texts and speaking to a healthcare provider who's noticing the impact on care.
Hey, Miss Lattimore, how you doing?
For a moment, Sarah Lattimore says she thought this visit to the doctor on Friday would be impossible because just the day before, she received a text message like this one claiming she no longer had Medicaid coverage.
Basically was saying that my insurance is cut off and I cannot see any doctors for any of my conditions.
Lattimore says she was instantly concerned.
I can't pay out of pocket like everybody else can.
The text message had a link for her to click and submit personal information to resolve the problem. Instead, Lattimore made the wise choice to call her healthcare provider, Epic Health. She learned it was a scam, and at least 200 other Epic Health patients received similar text messages from scammers exploiting the federal government shutdown as a way to scare Medicaid and Medicare recipients.
Today, we saw a huge drop-off in the number of our scheduled patients.
Dr. David Walsh is the supervising physician at Epic Health.
What are the implications of that, of someone receiving this text, not coming in when ultimately they're coming in for their health?
Basically delayed care, and basically what that's going to do is inundate our emergency room, where people are going to start using the emergency room as their primary care. Or some people are just not going to go, and what that's going to do is just going to delay care and cause increase, possibly emergency, because we have a lot of people who have uncontrolled diabetes, hypertension, has congestive heart failure, that needs that constant preventative long-term care and management.
Dr. Walsh also referenced the state attorney general, who issued a warning Wednesday. AG Dana Nessel advises you to block the text, email, or call. Don't click links or open attachments. Report the spam and delete the text or email from the device. Epic Health District Manager Cora Fitzpatrick says the health system is also doing its part to clear confusion.
We reassure them by letting them know, hey, you are covered. When they're calling us, when they're coming in, we let them know you're still covered. You can be seen today.
On the west side, Darren Cunningham, 7 News Detroit.
Darren, thank you so much.